Recently I had somebody ask me about the winch bars and the ratchet winch bar. So I'm going to show the difference between the regular winch bar and the ratchet winch bar. The ratchet winch bar helps, especially if you got like bad shoulders. Ratchet winch bar, regular winch bar. Let's see how they work. The regular winch bar is clear cut. So the regular winch bar is just a regular bar. You got your winch end, you got the end that you can slide your snap binders in and use. You can use this as a leverage bar. Basically, stick it in the hole. Possible. Now the ratchet bar is a little different. It's a little heavier, which also gives you more leverage when this end is heavier. It's just, imagine somebody that's heavier than me. When they go to press down on the bar, obviously it's going to be more leverage. It's going to be easier. So the fact that this is heavier also helps. You got your winch end. Now this is the difference. This is your ratchet end. Take this little tool out here, this here, and what you do is you slide your ratchet in, put that in there, and now your ratchet. Out. Let's see one more. Ratchet in there. I would say the ratchet saves time as well because you don't have to keep taking the winch bar if you want to use this, and you got to take it out, put it back in, take it out, put it back in. Personally, I really like the ratchet winch. That's your two different winch bars, your regular winch bar and your ratchet winch bar. When you're done, pull that out, slide that right up in there, and you're good. Let's get the damn thing torqued.